Assalamu alaikum. Hello dear viewers, welcome back to another video. Today I watch you some colorful fish with beautiful scenery. Beautiful scenery. There are a lot of font. Here one font, there one big one. This is this is a place. This is beautiful place for them. Looking good, blowing the water currents wow, and the spider. Oh wow, I want to start to watch you spider. This is wow, water spider, looking good, mashallah, mashallah. Whoa, oh, looking good and attractive. Another one, come to me. Oh yes, oh yes, oh, this is exciting moment. I hope you enjoy this video. Looking good, mashallah, playing well, taking rest, don't move. It's quiet at this moment. Beautiful. I love them and their activities. Looking good, mashallah, playing well. Oh, they are taking rest. Beautiful, beautiful. Wow, very nice, very nice. Mashallah, mashallah, playing well, playing well. Wow, why don't they take feet? Why they don't take feet? This is beautiful scenery. Try. Wow, they're going to the area and to the currents. Wow, alhamdulillah. Hey. Mashallah, mashallah, playing well. Beautiful scenery, looking good, playing well. Little one, wow, big fish are come to this place. I want to watch one catch one to watch you. This color is so beautiful. It is go from my hand. This give a big jump. This is one. This is healthy. Beautiful. Wow, playing well. Come on, please. This is one. Oh, beautiful scenery. Beautiful. I don't describe my feelings at this moment. There is exciting. This is exciting and interesting. Wow, what this big-hearted. Oh, this touch this fish. My heart will be very weak. And we're playing well, looking good, mashallah. They are taking the feed. Beautiful fish, beautiful place, beautiful scenery, looking good. The place is so beautiful. Their color, their activities, the looking here and there. everything are so beautiful, so exciting. I love this. Come on, come on. Oh yes, I want cat. This. Whoa! I want to catch another one. Wow! Whoa! This is strong. I want to catch this little cute. Oh, cute. Oh, this is so strong. Oh yes! At last, I come himself on my hand. Looking good. Excellent. Wow! Playing well. Playing well. Oh, yeah, so cute, so cute. Why? Yeah, this is give a big jump and take a rest. Oh yes, and one by one, and playing well. Beautiful scenery, beautiful scenery. Mashallah, mashallah. I hope you enjoy these videos. Oh, they are playing well, looking good. Mashallah. Yes. How beautiful, how beautiful. I want to watch another one. Oh yes, this is big fish. Wow, looking good. This body is so healthy. This is wow, golden fish, but the body is some hair is black spot. The tail is so beautiful. Three color of his tail: black, red, and white. Oh yes, they come on my hand spontaneously. They come on my hand spontaneously. Oh, they are taking shelter. They want to feed from my from me. Yes, no more today. Another day, tomorrow I will give feed. Don't worry, my friend. They are playing well, looking good. Mashallah, I love this fish. I think you also love this fish. Comment in comment box your your opinion. Comments your opinion. I hope you enjoy this video. No more today. Allah Hafiz, tata, bye bye, take care.